Alright, hello, this is D from the Fishing Gardeners. Just bringing you some passion fruit flowers that are still blooming in this chilly weather. I'm in Central Florida, Zone 9B. Yeah, that's the passion fruit, and the passion fruit are in this container. I'm growing them out of this container, and they're going right up this trellis. Yeah, but they're still flowering. So they obviously are not letting the cold affect them much. And this is this side in a pot. Now, these passion fruit I will eventually put in the ground so I can actually get more. But that's just showing you a little experiment to see how many passion fruit we would get in a container. We also have the Barbados cherries. As you can see, they're still blooming. The cold doesn't seem to be affecting them much. Some blue cherries on there. See that cherries right there. And that's actually blooming all the way around. Yep, so the cold doesn't seem to be affecting that much either. And look at this moringa. This is just one of the moringa trees, and I have topped that a couple of times already. You can see right there where I made the cuts, and that was about a month or so ago. And I have another one right here. I've made the cuts. It won't be cut anymore until spring. That's how tall that one is. We also have the Ruby Supreme guava. You can see the flowering. All right, focus, focus, focus. There we go. That's the flowering of the Ruby Supreme. See, it's there. See, guavas. Ruby Supreme guava. So that's what it's doing. That's another one that's still flowering. We see the Roselle / Sorrel. Look at those flowers. That's still flowering. Beautiful tree. And we have the Miwa Kumquat. Now, this one isn't really flowering, but it's definitely has a lot of fruits on it. Another Miwa. These are in 27-gallon containers. So what I like about these Miwas is they always have fruits on them regardless of what time of year. And we have my trumpet vine. It's flowering right here. This is just my pollinator trellis that goes around. And that's actually doing better now than it did this summer, which I think it was probably too hot for that. So yeah, those are the fruits that are still flowering as of now. So just bringing that to you. Some of these things will continually give you fruits all the way to the cold. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.